Morning students, welcome to online quiz. So yesterday due to some reasons I'm unable to continue the quiz. So now with all your support and love I'm just starting it. So as of yesterday you are just we stopped this up to 10th question. So a moment please. I'm searching. Yeah. Now I'm just starting it. So as of yesterday, you are just yes, I'm copying the link and sharing it in the group. So you can join through by this link. So I'm posting it, so you can participate by clicking this link. You can join it. A few minutes. Okay. Yes, I posted that. Sorry for interruption. As of now, I just send the link to each and everyone. So those who are interested can join. I think a lot of members participate in this. Even Jagdish from Gnanamika Degree College also participated. Thank you. Yes, Alim Khan, good morning. Yes, I posted that. Sorry for interruption. Okay, now up to this we have completed 10 questions regarding heat. So this is a question that which we stopped yesterday. So what is the principle of method of mixtures? So and the correct answer is net heat lost by hot body is equal to net heat gained by cold body. So and the answer is net heat lost by hot body is equal to net heat gained by cold body. So now continuing to the next question, that is 11th question on the screen. It is latent heat of fusion of ice. So what is the latent heat of fusion of ice? It's option A 80 calories per gram, option B 540 calories per gram, option C 60 calories per gram, and option D none of the above. So this is the 11th question. It's latent heat. Just a minute. Meeting on live lo malagesta. Live lo unnanu. So it's sorry for interruption. It's latent heat of fusion of ice. Option A 80 calories per gram. Option B 540 calories per gram. Option C 60 calories per gram. Option D none of the above. So which is your answer? So I'm waiting for your answers. So it's sorry for interruption. It's latent heat of fusion of ice. Yes, I got answers. Sneha from NLF school and Niharika option A Amrita, option A. Virat, option A. Kanchana, option A. Rihan, option A, like that. Okay, very good. Yes, Alim, tricky studies. Yes, I got answers. Sneha from another school and Niharika. So now I'm revealing the answer. It's option A, calorie per gram. It's option A. A is correct answer. So A is correct answer. So congratulations for those who has answered it. Now coming to the next question. Chemical formula of bleaching powder. So what is the chemical formula of bleaching powder? So where we use this bleaching powder? So bleaching powder we use to bleach cotton and linen in textile industry, wood pulp in paper industries, and it is used as an oxidizing agent. It is also used to prepare chloroform, and it's used to purify the disinfecting water from germs. So that's about the bleaching powder. So what is the chemical formula of bleaching powder? And your options are CaOCl2, Ca2OCl, CaO2Cl, and none of the above. So what are your answers? So it's CaOCl2, Ca2OCl, CaO2Cl, none of the above. Bleaching powder, the formula of bleaching powder. So I'm waiting for your answers. So few of you are typing it in group, I think also. So I got option A from Virat, option A from Amrita. So bleaching powder. Alim, option A. Yes, I got only 3 answers. Yes, option A from Rihan, option A from Sneha, option A from Kanchana, option A from Niharika. Very good. Yes, it's option D again from Virat. I think he has changed his mind. So, and Chandana, option A. Now, yes, I got, I think, maximum answers. So, it's option, I'm revealing the answer. It's option A. Yes, Aisha from NLF. So, A is correct answer. Very good. Congrats for the persons who has answered it correctly. Now coming to the next question. Chemical formula for calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. So this calcium carbonate is also called as marble. So what is its formula? CaCO4, CaSO4, CaCO3, none of the above. Calcium carbonate. See, when acids reacts with metal carbonates, we get salt, water, and carbon dioxide. When this carbon dioxide is mixed with passed through lime water, it turns into milky white. So this is what we call it as calcium carbonate. We will be getting that. So what is that calcium carbonate formula? So yes, I got from Virat. It's CaCO3 option B. It's CaCO3 is option C, Virat. You just check it out once. Answer is correct, but option is wrong. B is CaSO4. So Sneha C, Aisha A, Lavish Sharma C C C C C. Okay, they typed for 5 times. All rounder Ashok option C, Razak C, Rehan C, Chandana B, Amrita C, Razak C, Alim Khan C, Niharika C. Yes, I got many answers. So calcium carbonate, it's is also known as marble also. So its formula among the four. Now I got maximum answers. Now I am revealing the answer. It's option C, CaCO3, calcium carbonate. C is correct. So congratulations those who answered it correct. Congrats for those who answered it correct. Very good. Thank you for that. Now the next question is, who introduced pH scale? See, this pH scale is a scale which is used to measure the concentration of hydrogen ion concentration in acids and bases for a substance. Acids, so the scale numberings for 0 to 14, less than 7 it's acid, greater than 7 it's bases, equal to 7 it's neutral. And your options are Sorensen, option B Ericsson, option C Newton, option D none of the above. So who introduced pH scale? Who introduced pH scale? So I got answer from Ashok, it's Sorensen, very good. Razak, option A. Amrita, option A. Yes, Aisha, option A. Rihan, option A. Kanchana, option A. So very good. So I think a lot of members are very fastly they are typing the answers. It's Virat, option A. Niharika, option A. Sneha, option A. Alim Khan, option A. Bawajan, Kausar, I think, sorry. So Kausar, option A, very good. So I'm happy to see all of you participating in this. I am very happy. So Chandana, option A. So now I'm revealing the answer. It's option A, Sorensen. Very good for the option A is correct. So congrats those who has answered it correctly. Congratulations. Now the next question on the screen is, which gas is liberated when sodium is reacted with hydrochloric acid? So which gas is liberated? So here sodium. So for this you need to think that it as a metal. So what happens when metals reacts with acids? We get salt and a gas. So which gas is that? So which is the gas that liberates when these metals are reacting with hydrochloric acid? So here, so the question is twisted. So instead of metals, I have given sodium. So sodium is a metal. So in the textbook, you get it as zinc. So here, instead of zinc, we have given sodium. So there is a little bit of change in the question. And your options are oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, and chlorine. So very good. Without giving the options, Sham has entered the answer. It's hydrogen. Maybe let us see whether it is right or wrong. Ragi, Raghava, hydrogen. So I'm happy that more and more members are participating in this. So why? No problem. It's you can type it. Don't worry. Don't delete the message. And Aisha, hydrogen, Razak, option C, Amrita, option C, Jagdish, hydrogen gas, and salt, C. So C option, okay, very good. Yes, option C, Sneha, Alim Khan, option C, Rehan, option C, Kanchana, option C, Chandana, option C. Yes, Niharika, Kausar, Harshavardhan, option hydrogen. So yes, we will reveal the answer now. I think maximum answers are there. Yes, it's option C. So C is correct. So because sodium is metal only. So whenever a metal reacts with acid, we will be getting salt and hydrogen gas. So very good. So now the next question is, tooth enamel is made up of? So which is there in tooth enamel so that it will be made? So your options: calcium sulphate, calcium phosphate, calcium nitrate, calcium chloride. See, we can get tooth decay when the pH value is lower than 5.5. So this tooth enamel is made up of among the 1 and the 4. It is the hardest substance. It cannot dissolve in water. It is not soluble in water, but it gets corroded when the acid is there. For that, we need to wash our mouth properly after eating the food, and we need to apply a paste which is basic in nature so that we can neutralize it. Yes, I got answer from Sham. It's calcium phosphate, and Jagdish option B, Aisha option B, Razak option B, Rehan option B. Yes, so happy to see that a lot of answers are coming, and few seniors are also participating in this. I'm very much happy for that. I thought that seniors will not be showing any interest because as they completed their 10th, even happy to see that my senior students also, most senior students. So thanks for your participation and giving boost to your juniors also. It's like something encouraging for your juniors, seeing that our seniors are also participating so that they can test their knowledge by comparing with you. Very good. So I got a lot of answers. Now I'm revealing the answer. So yes, it's option B. It is correct answer. It's calcium phosphate. So option B is correct. So congratulations for that. And then option the 17th question. In neutral solution, litmus color is. So here, what is the color of neutral solution when you, sorry, what is the color of litmus paper in neutral solution? So you know about red litmus, I mean red litmus turning into blue, blue litmus turning into red in acid and base. So what about in the case of neutral solution, whether it is red or blue, green or purple? So this litmus paper is an indicator. It comes under natural indicator. So this litmus paper, colored petals of flowers, red cabbage, and this turmeric solution, all will be comes under this one only, natural indicators. Yes, I got answer from Amruta, and Jashwant Royal also typed as blue. Alim Khan option D, Jagdish option D, Sham purple, Niharika option D, Kanchana option D. Yes, Rehan option D, Chandana option D, Harshavardhan green, Razak option D, Sneha option D, Kausar option D. Okay, maximum answers I got, I think so. If anybody want to enter, you can enter it. So now I'm revealing the answer. It's option D, purple. So purple is the correct answer. And this, because in neutral solution, it will be purple. So universal indicator is showing the green color. And pH paper at 7, it will be in green color. So this, it will be purple only. You will be seeing at the bottom of the first page of the lesson, and in a box it will be there. The color of neutral solution in litmus is purple only. Okay. Yes. Now coming to the next question. Mixing an acid or base with water result in decrease in the concentration of ions per unit volume. Such a process is called. So mixing an acid or base with water. See, there is a question also regarding this. Why we need to mix acid or base to water, but not water to acid or base? Because when we add water to that, it just heat is liberated and the glass can broken and it may causes harm for that. So that's why we need to add acid or base to water, not water to the acid or base. So by adding acid or base to the water, the decrease of concentration of ions per unit volume will be there. So you can decrease H3O plus ions or OH minus ions. So what is that process called as? A, dilution, B, distillation, C, filtration, and D, none of the above. So Sham, dilution, Jagdish, distillation, Razak, option A, Ashok, dilution, yes, Alim Khan, option A, Amrita, option B, Rehan, A, Jashwant, Aisha, option A, Harshavardhan, option A, Kanchana, option A, Sneha, option A. So I think maximum answers are there. Yes, very good. Niharika, option A, Kausar, option A, Jagdish, option A, Chandana, option A. Yes, see the process of mixing acid or base with water result in decreasing in the concentration of ions per unit volume. This process is nothing but called as dilution. So option A is correct. So congratulations those who answered it correct. Very good. Keep it up. Now, stinging hair of leaves of nettle plant inject dash acid causing burning pain. So this the chemical warfare of the animals, you'll be getting this. So honeybee just and even honeybee also it stings. Then there will be pain and irritation and burning. Like that, this nettle plant hairs also leave an acid. So which is that acid among them? Citric acid, methanoic acid, acetic acid, none of the above. So its name is nothing but formic acid is also there. So the another name of formic acid also it will be asked. So what is that? It is citric acid, methanoic acid, acetic acid, none of the above. So which is your option? So it's A, citric acid, B, ethanoic acid, C, acetic acid, and D, none of the above. So which is the correct option for this? So I'm waiting for the answers. Yes, not even got one answer also, one answer also. So A, citric acid, B, methanoic acid, C, acetic acid. Yes, I got answer from Chandana. It's B. Jashwant, it's B. Aisha, option B. Sneha, option B. Rana Pratap, I think a new member has joined. Very good. Congratulations for participating. Thank you. Harshavardhan, option B. Rihan, option B. Kausar, option B. Amrita, option B. Razak, option B. Alim Khan, option C. Sham, option C. Niharika, option B. Virat, option D. None of the above. Okay, very good. Kanchana, option B. So those uh, you can send this link to the group so that few members can know that they doesn't know the quiz is going on. So please help by posting this so that we can reach it this to a lot of members. And anyhow, thanks for your interest. Now I'm revealing the answer. It's option B, methanoic acid. So this is also called as formic acid. So option B is correct, methanoic acid. So even we will be getting this acid when honeybee stings also, it bites also. Then coming to the next question, aqueous solution of sodium chloride. See, aqueous means whenever we just mix it with water. So this is called as aqueous solution. So aqueous solution of sodium chloride. So for this, when we pass electricity, we will be getting sodium hydroxide, chlorine, and as well as hydrogen. So even this process, we call it as a chlor-alkali process. So options are sodium solution, brine solution, alkalis, none of the above. So yes, Jagdish typed it as formic acid. I think it's one other name of that. So Razak, option B. Very good. Congratulations for responding firstly. Then yes, Amruta, option C. Next. So whether it is right or wrong, it doesn't matter, but you're trying. That is very much appreciated for that. So Aisha option C, Sham Prasad option B, Alim Khan option B, Jashwant option B, Kanchana option C, Harshavardhan option C, Chandana option B, Niharika option C. Okay, yes, Kausar option C, Rana Pratap option C. So a small request, Rana Pratap, can you just type the name of yours so that I can know your exact name? Option B, Sneha. Yes, I got maximum, I think so. No need to remove that, ma. You can type it, no problem for that. Yes, I'm revealing the answer. It's nothing but brine solution. So aqueous solution of sodium chloride is nothing but called as a brine solution, ma. So it's option B is correct. Yes, right. So brine solution on passing electricity, we will be getting sodium hydroxide, chlorine and hydrogen. This process is nothing but called as chlor-alkali process. Now coming to the next question, sodium hydrogen carbonate is also an ingredient in. So where we use this sodium hydrogen carbonate? So the sodium hydrogen carbonate, it is a chemical name of M. Rana Pratap. Okay, very good. Thank you for typing your name. I'm happy to hear this that you are here. So sodium hydrogen carbonate is its name is uh, baking soda. So it is also an ingredient in A. Antacids, B. Analgesic, C. Antibiotics, and D. None of the above. So it's A. Antacids, B. Analgesic, C. Antibiotics, D. None of the above. So you can easily identify the answer even though the topic is not covered for you. Among the four, by seeing the correct, choosing the correct is also helpful for you. So option D may not be that, and it will be analgesic and antibiotics and antacids. In this three, yes, option A, I got answer from Amruta. Option A, yes. Option A from Rehan, option A from Sneha, option A from Aisha, Jashwant, option C, Alim Khan, option A, and option C from Chandana, option B from Razak, option A from Kanchana, option A from Kausar, option A from Niharika, option C from Harshavardhan Naidu. Yes. Now I'm revealing the answer. It's nothing but option A. Very good. Congratulations. A lot of members answered it correctly. And now it's means antacids means whenever we are suffering from this acidity, we will be taking this antacid tablets. So milk of magnesia also will be taken for that. Eno, this all things. So it will be used as an ingredient in antacids. So bases. And then coming to the next question, chemical formula for hydrated copper sulfate. So hydrated copper sulfate. So I got a new member also. I'm happy for that. Yes, the chemical formula for hydrated copper sulfate. Your answers are CuSO4 2H2O, CaSO4 5H2O, CuSO4 5H2O. So I think a few of you, this topic is not yet completed, I think so. So anyhow, I have that seniors also there. Maybe I can see that if anybody is going to answer this. Don't worry about that. CuSO4 2H2O, CaSO4 5H2O, CuSO4 5H2O, none of the above. So hydrated copper sulfate. So you will be finding two options in that you have to check because it is copper. If you know the formula for the copper, then you will be finding that new. So Aisha option C, very good. And then option A, Amruta, I think she answered it first. Then Rehan option A, Jagdish option B, Alim Khan option A, Rana option B, Kausar option A, Kanchana option A, Sai Nikhil. Oh, very good. Congratulations. Thank you for answering it. C from Jashwant, it's C. Jagdish, Razak, option C. Niharika, option A. Chandana, option B. Virat, CuSO4, 5H2O. Very good. Yes, now I'm revealing the answer. Yes, it's CuSO4, 5H2O, copper sulphate. So we will be getting this in water of crystallization. We will be getting this. Maybe this topic is not yet started, I think so. Don't worry. So one formula unit of a salt contains the fixed number of water molecules. This is what called as water of crystallization. So hydrated copper sulphate means CuSO4, 5H2O. Right, coming to the next question. Mixing concentrated acids or bases with water is highly dash process. So what type of process? So that means acid or base is mixed with water, there will be getting heat. So we already discussed in the previous question that ions, the decreasing in ions, that is process called as dilution. But what type of process it is? So even it will be called as reaction also, it will be correct, I think so. So whether it is endothermic or exothermic or oxidation, none of the above. Means what happens? So you will be getting this answer if you know what happens, what is the reaction when heat liberated and what is the reaction when heat absorbed. Then you will be able to answer it clearly. So endothermic, exothermic, oxidation, none of the above. So option A, Razak, neutralization. So it is not in the option, Jagdish. Don't worry, no problem. So just mark it out from the options. Sneha, option B. Amruta, option B. Exothermic process. Chandra Mohan, exothermic. So I want this. Aisha, Alim Khan, Govind, Jashwant, Rana Pratap, Harshavardhan, typing option B. Kanchana, Rihan, Nikhil, Govind, exothermic, he typed. Chandana, option A. So yes, I'm happy to see this. A lot of members are participating that. Yes. So when we mix acid or bases with water, lot of heat is liberated. So whenever heat liberates, then that type of process we can call it as exothermic. So the option B is correct. Okay. So and if heat is absorbed, then we call it as endothermic. This old senior students can know that because they have that reactions also. But here in this also we have this exothermic. We know these terms, I think so. Yes. Now coming to the next question. Which of the following is the most accurate way of showing neutralization? So correct form of neutralization, in which way you can represent it. So neutralization means when acid and base reacts, we will be getting salt and water, or acid and base reacted, we will be getting neutral. Acid plus base gives rise to salt plus base, none of the above. So what is the neutralization process? In which way, the exact way, correct way of representing the neutralization reaction? So is it acid base reacts with salt and water? Acid and base reacted, it will be getting neutral. Acid and base getting salt and base, none of the above. So which is the correct way? Option A from Razak and Jagdish, Amruta, Sneha. Yes, Aisha, Harshavardhan, Rehan, Govind, Jashwant, Kanchana, typing option A. Alim Khan, option A. Rana Pratap, option A. Sai Nikhil, Niharika, option A. Yes. Yes, Chandana, option A. Very good. See, the process of reaction of acid with base, it gives rise to salt and water. So we need to represent it. This process is neutralization only, but we can represent in correct form. It will be acid plus base gives rise to salt plus water. So A is correct. So congratulations for those who has answered it correct. Now coming to the last question. So what color would hydrochloric acid turn? Universal indicator. So if pH is equal to 1, then what will be the color? So if it is blue or green or red or purple. So in the case of universal indicator, so understand the question properly. Universal indicator. So if the in pH scale, if it is 1, I'm not asking this in pH scale, it is in universal indicator. So what is the color of universal indicator if the pH value is 1? So a lot of indicators are there. Among that, universal indicator is also there, and litmus indicators are also there. pH scale is also there. So if it is 1 in pH scale, then what is the color of that universal indicator? So understand the question. So option C, Razak, Rihan, Alim Khan. Option C, Jagdish. Option B, Niharika. Option C, Aisha. Option C, Harshavardhan. Option C, Rana Pratap. Option B. So Sneha. Option C, Nikhil. Option C. So as anybody else? So what is the color of universal indicator? If hydrochloric acid is there, its pH is 1. That means in acids. So maybe the question is twisted, but the answer is clear because it is acid. So in acid, what will be the color of universal indicator? So I just twisted by placing there pH is equal to 1. So yes, now I think I got the answer, most of the answers. Now I'm revealing the answer. It's option C, as it's red, correct. So option C is correct because in acids, universal indicator or pH, both will be of same. Okay. Now by seeing your interest, I'm continue this. Maybe last time I conducted few questions, so that is there with me. If you are interested, then that will continue this now only. I will ask this now. If you are interested, then send yes. I will start that one. I want your permission that will you able to participate in that. Already you have attempted it, I think so. Yes, okay, thank you. Right. This is only regarding the second chapter only. So maybe few members, I think you just uh, maybe answered it last time, but now it seems that more members are there. So I am seeing your interest, so that I want to continue that. So thanks for your support. Yes, it's multiple questions, choice questions from acids, bases, and salts only. So the format you know already. So question number, answer, name, school name, etc. So taste of acids. So what will be the taste of acids? Is it sour? Is it bitter? Is it sweet? None of the above. So because few members only last time participated, now I'm seeing more members. So it will be interested for me and as well as for you also. So I hope you like it. So please share this link, post it in the group also, so that few more members will participate. Then you can test your knowledge also. So it's my request. So please post it in the group, the link of this online quiz, and tell them that they can answer it in the WhatsApp group also. Yes, I'm getting the answers. Option A from Amruta, Rehan, and Sneha, Aisha, Jagdish, Chandana, Rana Pratap, Razak, Harshavardhan, Kanchana, Alim Khan, Nikhil, Niharika, Jashwant. Yes, now I'm revealing it. The taste of acids is sour. So option A is correct. So congratulations for them who has correctly answered it. Now coming to the taste of bases. So what is the taste of bases? Is it sour, bitter, sweet, none of the above? So what is the taste of bases? So actually this is not there in the textbook. Only we will be having that it is soapy to touch and it turns red litmus to blue. You can't find this in the textbook. So see, let them, because only few members participated. I think 4 or 5 members participated in the last time. So let us see how many members will answer it correct. So Jagdish, it's option B. Razak, option B. Harshavardhan, option B. Rana Pratap, option B. Jashwant, option B. Alim Khan, option B. Chandana, option B. So Sneha, Kanchana, Rihan, Aisha, Niharika, Sai Nikhil. So I think last time Amrita, Niharika, Aisha only participated. I think so. If I'm not correct, maybe it's maybe I'm wrong. I think so. So it's is bitter. So yes, it's option B. Your answer is correct. So congratulations. So now coming to the next question. Acid turns red litmus too. So what, in which color they turn? Whether it is blue, whether it is black, whether it is green, whether it is no change. So maybe this will be easy for them. You can easily answer it. Okay, just a moment. I'm getting a battery low. Yes, right. I forgot to keep charging. So next, acid turns red litmus too. So maybe without seeing the options, you can tell the answers. Yes, option. Yeah, I'm correct. Yes, Harshavardhan, option A. So see the answer and see the options and post it. No problem. Yes, it's A. Right. A. So yes, option A from Rana Pratap. Rehan, option A. Alim Khan, option B. Razak, option A. Chandana, option A. Aisha, option A. So Niharika, option A. So very good. I'm getting the answers. So now I'm revealing the answers. So it's no change. See, this acid turns red litmus too. So I thought that a lot of you got confused. So it's option D is correct. So red litmus. So you got confused with that. Red litmus does not change. Okay. So I think a lot of members wrongly understand. I think Alim Khan Jagdish answered it correct, if I'm not wrong. Yes, Jagdish, Alim Khan, again Jashwant. Before I typed the answer, he entered it. Yes, it's no change. So red litmus will not change if it is dipped in acid. So that is why we, before entering it, we need to recheck it. Yes. Acid turns blue litmus too. The next question is acid turns blue litmus too. So what is the color? It will be changing. So it's blue, black, red, and purple. So acid turns blue litmus. as it turns. So now the answer is option C. It's red. So I got red from Chandana, Alim, Niharika, Jashwant, Sneha, Amrita, Kanchana, Sai Nikhil, Jagdish, Alim Khan, Jagdish, Almas. So please can you name so that I can read it for identify for the next time. Aisha, Harshavardhan, Rehan, Razak, Almas. Yes, Jagdish. Sanjana, sorry. So now I'm revealing the answer. So sorry, it is red only, the previous answer. So it's red. So option C is correct. I'm sorry, I just got confused with that. So now coming to the next question, red cabbage. So what is red cabbage? So is it a litmus? Is it an olfactory indicator? Is it a natural indicator? Or none of the above? So what is that? So red cabbage is litmus, olfactory indicator, natural indicator, none of the above. So among the four, which is the one? Red cabbage, olfactory indicator, almas. So please, Ma, can you type your name, please? Yes, Rihan, option B, Jagdish, option C, Alim Khan, option B, Aisha, option B, Kanchana, option B, Sai Nikhil, option B, Razak, option B, Sneha, option B, Harshavardhan Naidu, option B, Chandana, option B, Rana Pratap, option B, Amruta, option C, Jashwant Royal, natural indicator. So, Almas, Ma, I'm requesting please type your name next to your answer. So, Niharika, option B. Okay, Lamis. Okay. Welcome, Lamis. Reddy Chaitanya. Welcome, Reddy Chaitanya. It's option C. So, when I'm welcoming, you just deleted it. No problem, you just type it. Whether it is right or wrong, it doesn't matter. So, your interest is very important. Now I'm revealing the answer. It's option C is correct. So it is an natural indicator. It's natural indicator. So option C is correct. Now coming to the next question. Bases turn red litmus to bases. So what about the bases? When it dipped in red litmus, when red litmus paper is dipped in bases, it turns into option A blue, option B black, option C red, option D purple. So among this, which is that it will be changed? Just a moment, I'm taking some water. Thank you. So I got answer from only Rehan, Alim Khan, Amrita, Harshavardhan, Jagdish, Aisha, Chandana, Rehan, Jashwant, Kanchana, Nikhil, Sneha, Razak, Rana Pratap, Lamis. Okay, now I'm just entering the answer. Sanjana. Yes, Lamis, option A, Niharika, option A. Yes, so bases turn red litmus to blue. Chandrasekhar Reddy. Welcome, Chandrasekhar Reddy. Option B, purple. Okay, now the correct answer is bases turn red litmus to blue. So A is correct answer. Congratulations, who answered it correct? Yes, now coming to the next question. Bases turn blue litmus to. So what is the color of blue litmus when it is dipped in bases? So Chandrasekhar Reddy, option A. So I think, is it for previous question or this question? Okay, so if it is this question, you have to Recheck it once. So basis turns blue litmus 2. This is the next question, I think so. Yes, it's option A, blue, option B, no change, option C, red, option D, purple. So Jagdish, red, Almas, B, Razak, option B, Jagdish, option C, Aisha, option, she doesn't type the option, she just typed the red, Rehan, option B, Harshavardhan, option B, Lamiz, option B, Alim Khan, no color, Amruta, option B, Sai Nikhil, red, Sneha, option B, Jagdish, option B, Kanchana, option B, Lamiz, option B, so Jashwant, Rana Pratap, Chandana, option B, Niharika, option B, Sanjana, option C. Yes, I got maximum answers, I think so. So now I'm revealing the answer. It's no change. So option B is correct. So because blue litmus bases won't change. If red litmus is placed in bases, then it turns into blue, whereas blue litmus doesn't change. So no change. Very good. Now coming to the next question. Color of methyl orange in acids. So what is the color of methyl orange when it is poured in acids? So on your options are option A blue, option B black, option C red, and option D purple. So what is the correct answer among this? So the color of methyl orange in acids. So this methyl orange is a synthetic indicator, this and phenolphthalein. So remaining all natural indicators. So what is the correct answer for this? So Alim Khan, option red, Aisha red, Jagdish, option D. Yes, Rihan, option C, Niharika, option red, she typed, Harshavardhan, option C, Amruta, option C, Rajak, option C, Sai Nikhil, option, he typed red, Kanchana, option C, SJS. So please type your name so that I can understand. Option D from Chandana, option C from Sneha, Rana Pratap, option C, Lamiz. Okay, right. Jashwant Royal, purple, Sanjana, option B, black. Okay, I think a lot of members have been answered. So now I'm revealing the answer. So it's option C, red. So C is correct answer. Congratulations, those who answered it correctly. Now coming to the next question, color of methyl orange in bases. So in acids, you can say that it will be red. So what about the bases? Color of methyl orange in base. So whether it is blue, black, red, yellow. So what is the color of methyl orange in bases? Blue, black, red, yellow. Blue, black, red, yellow. So the color of methyl orange in bases. So Aisha, yellow, Harshavardhan, option A, Jagdish, option D, Niharika, option D, Alim, yellow, Razak, option D, Jashwant, yellow, Lamiz, yellow. Yes, yes, Rihan, Sai Nikhil, option D, Sneha, option D, Kanchana, option D, Rana Pratap, option D, Chandana, option D, Lamiz, option yellow from PTS People Tree School. Yes. Yes. Ninth yellow. Okay, ma. Very good. So I think all of you has entered the answer. Yes, Sanjana, option D. Srikanth, option D. Welcome, Srikanth. Yes, now I'm revealing the answer. It's option D is the correct answer. So option D is correct. Congratulations, those who answered it correctly. Now coming to the next, color of phenolphthalein in alkali. So this you have to think about it. So what is the color of phenolphthalein in alkali? So what is alkali? If you know this, then you will be knowing the answer correct. So it's option A, pink, option B, black, option C, red, option D, yellow. So which is the correct answer? So option A, pink, option B, black, option C, red, and option D, yellow. If you know what is alkali, then you will know the correct answer. So think about alkali. So what is alkali? So if phenolphthalein is mixed, means you just place it in the alkali, then what is your color? Aisha, colorless. Rehan, option A. Razak, option A. Lamis, pink. Jagdish, option A. Amruta, option A. Alim, option A. Lamis, pink. Kanchana, option A. Nikhil, A. Sneha, option A. Niharika, option A. Rana Pratap, option A. Harshavardhan, option A. Sanjana, red. Sheikh Nazir, I think, option pink. Jashwant Royal, pink. Chandana, option A. Lamis, pink. N, option A. Yogeshwar, Vidyodaya English Medium High School. Very good. So I think anybody else? Now I'm revealing the answer. Before revealing the answer, once again I'm telling alkali means bases which are soluble in water, they are called as alkali. So that is nothing but the question is phenolphthalein in bases. It will be pink. So yes, option A is correct. Congratulations, those who answered it correct. So alkali means bases, means bases which are soluble in water are called as alkali. Okay. Now coming to the next question, phenolphthalein in acids. Color of phenolphthalein acids: pink, black, colorless, yellow. So what will be the color of this phenolphthalein in acids? So pink, black, colorless, yellow. Sorry. So color of phenolphthalein in acids. So waiting for the answers. Option yes, I got Rihan first. Option C, Rajak. Option C, Aisha, colorless. Lamis, colorless. Niharika, option C. Amruta, option C. Harshavardhan, option C. Sneha, option C. Jagdish, option C. Kanchana, option C. Sai Nikhil, option C. Jashwant, colorless. Chandana, option C. Rana Pratap, option C. Lamis, option C. Yogeshwar, option C. So now I'm revealing the answer. So it's colorless. So option C is correct. So it's of colorless, ma. So congrats for the persons who has answered it. So now coming to that means phenolphthalein in acid it is colorless. So only in bases it changes into yellow. Now coming to that next one, then example of natural indicators. So already in the previous I have discussed this. So which comes under natural indicators among the following which are there. So methyl orange, onion, phenolphthalein, red cabbage. So among the four, which is a natural indicator? So natural indicators are which we can get it from nature itself, whereas synthetic will or man-made or artificial will be done by us, prepared by us. So in this, which is a natural indicator? Methyl orange, onion, phenolphthalein, red cabbage. So you need to just check it once before answering it. So I'm waiting for the answers. Yes, Jagdish, option B. Niharika, option D. Lamis, red cabbage. Amruta, option D. Aisha, option B. Jashwant, red cabbage. Razak, option D. Option D from Chandana. Kanchana also typed option D. Sai Nikhil, Rehan, Lamis, Sneha, Jagadish, Harshavardhan typed option D only. So yes, it's a natural indicator. So Yogeshwar option D, Rana Pratap option D. Let us see the answer first. Yes, it's option D. So because here it's natural indicator, but onion, though it is natural, but red cabbage, turmeric solution, and extract of colored petals from the colored petals of flowers, turmeric solution, this will be considered as natural indicators. Now coming to the next question, synthetic indicator example. So as of now we discussed about this natural indicator. Now synthetic indicator. So methyl orange, onion, phenolphthalein, option A and C are correct. So synthetic. So before that we discussed about natural indicator. Now we are discussing about synthetic indicator. So it's methyl orange, onion, phenolphthalein, option A and C. So waiting for the answers. Yes, methyl orange, Rehan from Jagadish, methyl orange typed. Rehan A, Razak D, Lamiz option D, Harshavardhan option A, Aisha option A, Jashwant option D, Sai Nikhil option A, Lamiz option D, Rehan Jagdish option D, Reddy Chaitanya option A, Amrita option D, Chandana option B, Lamiz option D, Kanchana option D, Niharika option D, Lamiz option D. So no need, one time you just type no problem. Rana Pratap option D, Sneha option D. Yes. Yeah, I think I got answers from all. Now I'm revealing the answer. It's option D. Yes, option D is correct. So this both methyl orange and phenolphthalein, both are synthetic indicators only, whereas onion is not a synthetic indicator. So option D is correct. So A and C, both methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Very good. Now coming to the next question. Example of olfactory indicator. So olfactory indicators. What are olfactory indicators? Means substances which can identify by their odor. That means smell. So litmus, onion, phenolphthalein, A and C, which is an olfactory indicators. So option A, litmus, option B, onion, option C, phenolphthalein, option D, A and C. Yes, I got answers from Alim and Srikant Yogeshwar for the previous questions. Anyhow, we just declared the answer, no problem. Keep going on. So example of olfactory indicators. So the substances that which can change by their odor, we can identify by their odor. Odor means smell. So I got answers from Lamiz onion and Razak option D, Rehan option D, Amrita option B, Alim Khan option B, Jashwant option B, Aisha option B, Harshavardhan option B, Lamiz option B, Chandana option D, Kanchana option B, Sneha option D, Sanjana option D, Niharika option B, Sai Nikhil option D, Razak option B. So I think most of the members has typed yes. Rana Pratap, Yogeshwar. Yes, now I'm just revealing the answer. Yes, it's option B is correct. Onion. So Rehan typed answer now. So B is correct. Congratulations, those who answered it. So now coming to the next question. If you add a few drops of methyl orange in acid, it turns into, so if you add a few drops of methyl orange in acid, so it turns into blue, or it turns into orange, it turns into red, or it turns into pink. A few drops of methyl orange is added in acids, it turns into option A blue, option B orange, option C red, option D pink. So methyl orange, as of now we discussed it is a synthetic indicator. So option A blue, option B orange, option C red, option D pink. So I got answer from Lameez, it's red. Alim Khan, it's red. Rihan, option C. Harshavardhan, option C. Jagdish, option C. Jashwant, pink. Razak, option C. Aisha, option C. Sneha, option C. Sai Nikhil, red. Niharika, option C. Chandana, option D. Amruta, option C. Yogeshwar, Kanchana, option C. Sanjana, option D. Lameez, option C. Reddy Chaitanya, option C. Raghava, blue. Rana Pratap, option C. So now I'm revealing it. Answer methyl orange, it's red. So option C is correct. Congratulations for those who answered it. Now, because methyl orange is an synthetic indicator, if it mixes with acid, we will be getting it into red color. So now, if you add a few drops of methyl orange in base, so what is the color of this? So yellow, orange, red, none of the above. So the color of methyl orange in base. What is the color of methyl orange in base? Yellow, orange, red, none of the above. So waiting for the answers. Yes, Rihan, option A, Harshavardhan, blue, Aisha, yellow, Jagdish, option D, Razak, option A, Lameez, yellow, Jashwant, option A, Amruta, Alim Khan, Lameez, option A, Kanchana, also option A, Sanjana, yellow, Sai Nikhil, yellow, Yogeshwar, option A, Harshavardhan, option A, Niharika, option A, Sneha, option A, Chandana, option A, Rana Pratap, option D. So now this methyl orange in bases, it turns into yellow. So option A is correct. So congratulations those who answered it correctly. So Chandana, Sneha, Niharika, Harshavardhan, Yogeshwar, Sanjana, Nikhil Reddy, Kanchana, Lameez, Alim Khan, Amruta, Jashwant, Razak, Aisha typed yellow. Very good. Congratulations. Now coming to the next question. Which of the following is acid? So among the following, which is an acid? NaOH, HCl, CaOH twice, none of the above. So which is an acid? So NaOH, HCl, CaOH twice, none of the above. So just a moment, I will be back. I'm just giving a charger. 1 minute. Yes. Sorry for interruption. Yes. So for charging purpose, I just said very good. I got a lot of answers. Option B from Jagdish. So Alim, Amruta, Razak, Jashwant, Aisha, Harshavardhan. Yes, I'm revealing the answer. It's HCl. Option B is correct. Yes. Which of the following is base? CH3COOH, HCl, CaOH twice, and none of the above. Which is correct? So it is base. So CH3COOH, HCl, CaOH twice, none of the above. So waiting for the answers for the next question, that is which of the following is base? CH3COOH. So I got 18th one answer as Razak, typed it as a C. So first answer from Razak. Rehan option A, Aisha option C, Jagdish option C, Alim Khan option C, Lamiz option C, Amruta option C, so Rana Pratap option C, Lamiz option C, Chandana option A, Kanchana option C, Harshavardhan option C, Rehan option C, Sanjana option C, Jashwant option C, Yogeshwar option C, Niharika option C. So yes, Max, I got, I think so. Sneha option C. So now I'm revealing it. This option C is correct. So CH3COOH is acetic acid, whereas HCl is hydrochloric acid, whereas CaOH twice is a base, which is calcium hydroxide. So option C is correct, ma. So as it has OH ion, CaOH twice. So CH3COOH and HCl are acids. Because in the previous question, you understand that HCl is acid. None of the above will be there. In this two, you will be easily identifying that CaOH is base, calcium hydroxide. Now coming to the next question, formula of acetic acid. What is the formula for acetic acid? So it's CH3COOH, H2SO4, CaOH twice, none of the above. So those who listened carefully, the 18th one, you are able to answer this 19th one. I just revealed the answer there itself. So it's A, CH3COOH, it's B, H2SO4, it's C, CaOH twice, or it's D, none of the above. So Aisha option A, Jagdish, Lamiz option A, Razak option A, Harshavardhan, Amrita, Yogeshwar, Rehan. So because I think you are very much you are paying attention towards the question, I think so. You are listening that also. That's why you are typing all the correct answers. So it's Sneha, Niharika, Lamis, Kanchana, Alim, Sanjana, Chandana, Rana Pratap, all are typing answer A. Yes, it's nothing but option A because I explained this in this previous only. So A is correct answer. Congratulations. Now coming to the next question. Formula of potassium hydroxide. So what is the formula for potassium hydroxide? So KOH, H2SO4, MgOH twice, none of the above. Sorry. So KOH, H2SO4, MgOH twice, and none of the above. It's waiting for the answers. So Sneha option A, Razak option A, Jagdish option A, Aisha, Harshavardhan also typed option A. Yes, if you know the formula for potassium, then it will be easy for you. Rihan, option B, Amrita, Lameez, Niharika, Yogeshwar, Rana Pratap, Kanchana, Jashwant, Chandana, Alim Khan, Sanjana, Rihan. All are typing option A only. Yes, I think most of you has typed the answers, I think so. Yes, now I'm revealing the answer. Yes, it's option A is correct answer. Congratulations, those who typed it, who answered it correctly. Now coming to the next question, it's acid reacts with metals and liberate. So acid reacts with metals and liberate. So which gas is liberated? Hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, none of the above. So you all are aware of this because in the next also you got this. In the previous question also you got this answer also, I think so. So acid reacts with metals and liberates. So I think without seeing the options, you will be typing the answers. Yes, Sneha, Razak, Jagadish, Rihan, Lamiz, Hydrogen, Niharika, Harshavardhan, Alim, Aisha, Kanchana, Amrita, Jashwant, Rana Pratap, Yogeshwar, Chandana, Sanjana. Is option A. Yes, no, waiting for the answer. It's option A is only correct because you all know this. Correct only. So hydrogen gas. And then acids reacts with metal carbonates. So metal carbonates. So metals, you know. What about in the case of metal carbonates? So NaHCO3, Na2CO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium carbonate. So when acid, so HCl or H2SO4, whatever it may be, Rahul. So welcome Rahul. It's hydrogen. Yes, you have typed the answer, and we just revealed that also. So anyhow, this acid reacts with metal carbonates and liberates. So sodium hydrogen carbonate and sodium carbonate. So Jagadish Lami's option she typed without before only Lami's and Jagadish entered the answer without even Rehan and Alim also. Before I am revealing the options, they are typing the answer. So very good. Lamiz, Jagadish, Rehan, Alim. So even Amrita, Aisha, Razak also, they entered the answer before I reveal the options. Very good. Even Rihan, Kanchana, Jashwant, Niharika, Yogeshwar. So very good, very good. I think you are very much aware of this topic. So even Rana Pratap, Harshavardhan, Sneha, very good. I think so. I have to reveal the answer. It's option D is correct answer. Yes, option D is correct. So I'm very happy that without seeing the options, you are typing it. Yes. Now it's the color of red cabbage juice. So as of we discussed it that red cabbage is a natural indicator. We just attempted a question also on regarding the red cabbage. So the color of red cabbage juice. What is the color of red cabbage juice? Is it blue? Is it red? Is it yellow? Or is it purple? So what is the color of red cabbage juice? It's option A. Yo, I got Lami's typed purple. Aisha typed option D. Rehan option B. Jagadish option D. Harshavardhan option B. Yogeshwar option D. Lami's option D. Sneha, Rihan, Sneha option D, Amruta option D, Jeshwant, Rihan, purple, they typed. Kanchana, just typed option D. Chandana, option D. Niharika, option D. Sanjana, option D. So just we will reveal that it's option D, purple. Yes, Rahul Manjunath, option he typed B, but option D is correct. It's purple in color, the color of red cabbage juice. Now, what is the color of red cabbage juice in base? So in general, the color of red cabbage is purple. What about this red cabbage juice in base? What is the color of red cabbage juice in base? So is it in blue color? Is it in red color? Is it in green color? Or is it in purple color? Sorry. Yes, I got answers from Rana Pratap B, Kanchana D, Yogeshwar C, Lamiz Green, and Aisha C, Razak, Alim Khan, Rehan, Amruta, C, Jeshwant, Harshavardhan, Rahul Manjunath, Jagadish, Niharika, Chandana, Rana Pratap. Yes, now I'm revealing the answer. It's option C. Very good. It's green color, ma. C is correct. Good. Now coming to that last question, I think so. The color of turmeric applied paper in base. So last question, what is the color of turmeric applied paper? So if we apply turmeric powder to a paper and if we dip it in base, what will be its color? Is it blue? Is it reddish brown? Is it green? Is it purple? So this is the last question. So is it blue, reddish brown, green, purple? So the color of turmeric applied paper in base. Turmeric applied paper in base. So what is the color of turmeric applied paper? Reddish brown. Alim Khan, option B. Harshavardhan, option B. Sneha, option B. Lamiz, option B. Jagdish, Sanjana, red. Jagdish B. Yogeshwar B. Lamiz B. Razak B. Amrita B. Rehan B. Rahul Manjunath B. Aisha, Kanchana, Rana Pratap, Chandana, Niharika, option B. So Muzaib Sheikh, option B. Razak, option B. So now I'm revealing the answer. It's option B, reddish brown from Ifra. Oh, very good. She is a senior student, I think so, from Boone School. Very good. So, but we are the last question, ma. Anyhow, I'm very happy for your interest. So, this is a last question that which we have completed our quiz, nearly 25 and 15, 40 questions. So, I'm very surprised that these 40 questions have been completed within no time. So with all your participation and your interest, I just not knowing the time also. So I started at 11:05. It's 12:28. So the time is running like anything. Yes, I will definitely inform you. I'm very happy that even our senior students also participating it. Rihan, 40. Yes, ma, we have conducted 40 questions. So, and yesterday 10 questions. So, I'm very happy for that. So, with all your support, I'm very I will conduct number of quizzes like this. Okay, thank you. So meet you in the next quiz. Okay, have a nice day. Bye to all.